guys, so here's the story behind my latest project. So I went on Pinterest and I found this article of this couple that did shiplap walls with plywood. And all you do is simply go to Home Depot and buy plywood, and you cut it into 6-inch strips, and you nail it up and you paint it white. So I'm at Home Depot and the guy is taking the top boards off, saying, oh, this one's going in the trash, this one's going in the trash, to get me to the nice ones. And I'm like over here looking at these bad boards like, dude, are you really throwing these out? Like, can I have them? And he said, sure. So now I have all these free plywoods, and I get home and I ask my dad and brothers if they could cut them into 6-inch strips. And they're like, let's get this straight. You want us to freehand cut all this plywood into boards for your walls for your house. So then they were like, oh my gosh, where did this come from? And I was like, Pinterest. So Gabe was really nice and he cut and cut and cut. And like, I don't know, he cut one board up in just a couple minutes. And boom, I painted it and it's up. Like, there goes my eyelash. What are you doing? Sanding your board. You look cute. So, all of that to say, I now have new shiplap walls in my house that cost me basically nails and paint.